Fun history facts for kids: the Great Wall of China is the longest wall in the world, stretching over 13,000 miles. The ancient Egyptians built the pyramids as tombs for the pharaohs and their queens. The Roman Colosseum, built in 80 AD, could hold up to 50,000 spectators. The ancient Mayans were skilled mathematicians and astronomers, and developed a complex calendar system. The first American colony was established in 1607 at Jamestown, Virginia. The United States Constitution was written in 1787 and is the oldest national constitution still in use. The Wright brothers, Orville and Wilbur, invented and built the world's first successful airplane in 1903. The first telephone was invented by Alexander Graham Bell in 1876. The first car was invented by Carl Benz in 1885. The first computer was invented during World War II by the German engineer Konrad Zeus.